We will begin tonight with a federal court case being heard here in Lafayette that could have national implications. The state of Louisiana is fighting the Biden administration's repeal of requirements to give health screenings to immigrants who are crossing the border into the United States. This screening can be used to determine whether a person can gain entry or be sent away. State attorneys general from Louisiana, Missouri, and Arizona are fighting the Biden administration over the repeal of Title 42. It was enacted during the Trump administration in 2020, and as you recall, it was at the height of the pandemic.
So Americans have to be vaccinated. The administration wants them to wear masks to fly on a plane. Whether or not we can vaccinate illegal aliens crossing the border doesn't matter. And that surgery that your mom or your dad needed, well, if there's an illegal alien with COVID, the use of that hospital space doesn't matter.
The Department of Justice argues COVID vaccines are widely available and there has been a drastic reduction in the number of COVID cases. Therefore, Title 42, the health screenings for immigrants at the border, that's just not necessary now. However, the states argue that stopping the health screenings of immigrants trying to cross the border, that's not a good idea, and it will lead to a massive increase in border crossings, possibly thousands more per day, resulting in overcrowding. The system would become overwhelmed, and the states would have to bear the burden of the cost of spending more money on health care, education, and law enforcement. There was also a prediction that this would increase the drug smuggling to the United States, especially when it comes to fentanyl.